Hello students, in the previous videos I taught you the sounds of sh and t. In this video I am going to teach you next sound, that is th. Th sound comes from two letters, that is T and H. Single T gives the sound of t, like tip, T-I-P, tip. Another word is tap, T-A-P, tap. Single T gives the sound of t, tip and tap, etc. Now turn the page of your notebooks. Write on the same date, 29th of June 2020. Write on the heading, make words, M-A-K-E, make words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Now the sound is changed. Now write it down, T-H, th sound. Yes. Our first word is teeth, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Here which sound comes? Th, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Second word is, yes, anybody can tell me the next word? Yes, three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Next word is thumb, thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Our next word is throw, throw, T-H-R-O-W.